As we have finished the test of your OIR. How was the test? Okay, now we are moving towards the second test of screening, that is called PPDT, Picture Perception and Discussion Test. Okay, and this test I'll be showing you a picture, and that picture will rest on the screen only for 30 seconds. In that 30 seconds, you have to grab the essentials of that picture. You have to think an imaginary story of that, about that picture. Okay, after that 30 seconds, that picture will get vanished from this screen, and you will be provided with 4 minutes in order to fill that box, write the action of your story, and write an imaginary story based on the theme of that picture. Got it? For filling the box, try to put a dot where you have seen the character in this screen. Okay, and apply that idea of GAME, game, gender, age and mood. Also encircle the first character you have seen or the central character of your picture. Got it? Try to write your action, appropriate action that shows the exact image in the mind of the assessor. Okay, and try to give a brief story, a good story. Okay, so are you all ready? Here is your picture. से ज़्यादा ये हो नहीं रहा है. Can you see that? Okay, all set?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start.
I saw two characters in the picture. One is male, other one is female. Age between 25 to 26. Action of my story, both mood was positive. Action of my story is helping to a girl to drop a hospital. Ramesh was 26-year-old working with the whale company in Bhopal. One day he go to the office. He saw a girl is asking for help to go anywhere. Ramesh stand there and talk about the help and give her help to drop the hospital where her father was admitted, and he analyzed that she was the student of college time and his classmate. And now Sita advised to Ramesh also to wear the helmet and use the traffic rule also. That's all.
In my story, I have pursued two characters. One is male and another is female. And both mood is positive, and both age is around 20 to 30 years. My story action is a man helps a girl. One day Ram was going to market. A girl stop and help him. Ram help him and say that I am going to interview and I am too late, so my bus has left. Can you pick me? So Ram drop at his office and before his interview, and also requested to and suggested to we should everyone help everyone. We should help everyone. Thank you.
I purchased two characters in this story. One is male and second is female. Ram is a male character, and my story action is Ram lost the examination center and asked the girl. Ram go to the examination for competitive exam in other state, and he does not know his location, so he asked for a lady, where is that location, and the girl is help, and she is locate his location, and solve this problem.
As picture shown to us, I can perceive that there are two main characters. One is female and man. Ram age is 26 and female is 24. Both are in neutral mode, and my main action is female is asking for lift or asking for left help by a office going man. As it is a street scenario where we can see that Ram is going for his office work, where on the midway, he can see that a woman suddenly hurriedly stops him and asks for lift. In that, she asks for lift as she is getting late for her interview in nearby complex, where the day has strike by auto, and there is a
Okay, one of you please stand up and give me the common story.
Can I give?
Just 189.
At common point of solution, we came to an end that we are concluding like that the male is traveling somewhere and the female character wants help from the traveler. The girl asked her for a lift for going to somewhere. It might be possible the male character is wearing formal shirt and pant, so it is possible that he is going for an examination center or office, and the female character also want to go somewhere as she is having a bag and wearing good clothes, so it might be possible that she also want to travel somewhere. So he asked for help, and the girl also said to the male character to wear helmet and avoid the traffic rules. Thank you.
Okay, anybody else want to add some point in this? Okay.
As gentleman had said that the man was going for his office, where on the street he saw a woman where she is asking for help or lift, where she was heading for interview. We have seen that in interview we want to get there at first so that the impression is done. So she get help and got there at time, and the man was having that praise by her. So thank you.
Okay, have a seat. So finally, with both the test sets have done, now it's time for the result. How many of you think that you are going to be screened in? Okay, hands down. Oh, there is a good news. Abhimanyu from your class got screened in today. Okay, at 14 FSV Allahabad, 14 SSB Allahabad. Okay, yeah, in Prayagraj only. Yeah. Abhimanyu. Okay, only. Okay, just number 189. You have told about the gender race mood, action was also, but you had missed the action in your narration. Even tell the narration action in your narration. Okay, So you got D1, D2, D2. Okay, D2 for your discussion part. Test number 77. Again, we need that tone. एक वॉल्यूम और ऊपर जा सकता है, ठीक है. सिंपली रिटन आस्किंग फॉर लिफ्ट फॉर व्हाट पर्पस. वो पर्पस आपके स्टोरी में तो है, बट वो पर्पस आपके एक्शन में भी दिखनी चाहिए. आस्किंग फॉर लिफ्ट टू रीच एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर और समथिंग. ओके, appropriate. D2, D1, D3. You haven't participated in the discussion. Why? That much. You are not that much effective in the group. क्यों? ऐसा क्यों हुआ सर? Okay. Test number 007. From the story नहीं. You know, narrating a story, say from the picture. Okay. But you are in panic situation or what? Are you camera conscious or something? Because you have fumbled the most in this practice. ये तीसरा है आपका और सबसे ज़्यादा फंबल आप इसमें किए थे. In the discussion also, in the narration also. Okay? और स्पेशली लेटर फेज में शुरुआत में बहुत अच्छा शुरू हुआ, लगा कि बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, बट जैसे ही 30 सेकेंड ओवर हुए आपका फंबल बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ गया था. In some type of hurry or in under pressure. In the discussion, I would like to suggest you to try to give a longer point at your own. जब कोई आपको लिफ्ट दे तब नहीं, आप अपने दम पे लंबे पॉइंट्स रखने की कोशिश कीजिए ताकि ग्रुप को आप होल्ड कर सकें. यू गॉट ट्रिपल D2. ओके, अगर लेटर फेज में वो फंबल नहीं आता तो शायद D1 तक आप पहुंच जाते. ओके, 102. Is it your second practice? First or second? First. Okay. Try to have eye contact with all of your group members only. Need not to see the assessor. Okay. Address your group members only. Second thing. Your action was not that much appropriate. Reducing mosquito. Nothing to do with the picture. Seems preconceived. Okay. Reduce hand movement. बॉडी पोस्चर बहुत ज़्यादा लीन हो रहे हैं आप और बहुत ज़्यादा हैंड मूवमेंट है, उसे थोड़ा सा कम कीजिए. देयर वाज वन गुड थिंग. यू आर ट्राइंग टू बाइंड द स्टोरी. यहाँ तक हो चुका है, आप उसे समराइज करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे. दैट वाज गुड. यू गॉट ट्रिपल D2. ओके. नेक्स्ट 116. Again, you are not having eye contact with all of your group members. आप 30 सेकंड तक सिर्फ और सिर्फ एसेसर को देखते रह गए. 30 सेकंड बाद शायद आपको याद आया होगा तो फिर आप इधर उधर देख रहे थे. प्लीज़ नरेट योर स्टोरी टू योर ग्रुप मेंबर्स ओनली. ओके. 40 सेकंड में आपने ख़त्म किया एब्रप्टली. एंड पे कोई सेंटेंस ख़त्म होता है क्या? यू एंडेड योर सेंटेंस ऑन एंड. ओके. गिव अ स्मूथ एंड. यू हैव 1 minute. Try to utilize that 1 minute. Incomplete story, and that you were not that much effective in the discussion part. You got D3, D3, D3. Okay. D3 for the story because in the action what you have written, take a lift for someone. या तो ग्रामर का इशू है आपके साथ या फिर आपने एक्शन को फ्रेम नहीं कर पाया. someone जैसी चीज़ें नहीं होती हैं. 2 ही कैरेक्टर थे, आप उनको नेम दे सकते थे. ओके. $45. There is improvement in your narration now, but not at that level. Not of that level. Okay. Still fillers are coming in your voice. No eye contact with your group member. Hand movements were also there. Still you got D2 in the discussion, in the narration part. D2 for the story and D2 for your discussion. Try to be effective in the discussion part. Okay. Try to give longer points. Try to hold the group. Like आप कहीं ग्रुप में कुछ और लोग कर रहे थे, वो काम वो आप भी कर सकती हैं. Okay. 48. आई कॉन्टैक्ट वॉज ओके. समटाइम्स वो थोड़े बहुत फिलर्स आ रहे थे, अगर उस पर काम कर लिया जाए तो चीज़ें सुधर सकती हैं. यू गॉट D1, D1, D2. आपने कंक्लूड करने की भी कोशिश की थी लास्ट में, दैट वाज गुड थिंग. D1, D1, D2. ओके, टेस्ट नंबर 108. फादर एडमिटेड. जब तक कोई नेगेटिविटी दिखे ना सर, नेगेटिविटी अवॉइड कीजिए. उस लड़की के गेटअप से ऐसा लग रहा था क्या कि वो हॉस्पिटल जा रही है? A type of western dress, a handbag in her hand. Try to come up with some appropriate action and story, sir. That's why you got D1, D2, D1. D2 for your story part. Okay? $129. फिलर्स अभी भी आ रहे हैं, फंबल कर रहे हैं आप लेटर फेज में ज़्यादा. आई कांटेक्ट रखने की कोशिश कीजिए. सब चीज़ भूल के बस इतना समझ जाइए, उस समय इतना याद रखना है कि मैं ही बोल रहा हूँ. और ये शुरुआत की पहली लाइन रट जाओ. कोई सुबह उठा के भी पूछे तो आप बोलने के काबिल हो सको. कितना होगा? 1 कैरेक्टर, 2 कैरेक्टर, 3, 4, 5, 6 से ज़्यादा नहीं आएंगे. ओके, उस हिसाब से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए कि सुबह उठा के भी कोई बोले प्लीज़ नरेट योर स्टोरी, और आप नरेट कर पाए. Got it? You have to work on your English communication, both on writing and speaking as well. So please work on that. You got D2, D2, D2. Chest number 108. I wanted to say here that, as you said that, okay, chest number 63 is saying this. By saying this, you are attracting the group towards your point. आप जैसे ही किसी का नाम लेते हैं वो तो सुनेगा ही, साथ में ग्रुप ही आपको होल्ड हुआ आपसे. दैट वाज अ गुड थिंग. आप ये काम कर सकते हैं, दूसरे के पॉइंट्स को भी लेके आप आगे जा सकते हैं, बट पूरी तरीके से पैरासाइट उस पर नहीं बनना है. अपने पॉइंट्स एड ऑन करने हैं. सामने वाले के भी अच्छे हैं, वो भी तो भाई आप ही की तरह मेहनत करके आया है, अच्छे हो सकते हैं. अप्रिशिएट करने में कोई बुराई नहीं है. ओके, 63. फिर से आई कांटेक्ट बिल्कुल नहीं था, आप पूरे टाइम नीचे ही देखते बात करते रहें. यू नीड फ्लुएंसी. फ्लुएंसी पे काम कीजिए, तभी जाके कुछ हो पाएगा. ओके, थोड़ा बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट है, लेकिन अभी बहुत लंबी लड़ाई बाकी है. D3, D2, D3. ओके, चेस्ट नंबर 52.
Yes, sir.
Eye contact was okay. Sometime it seems that you have fumble in your narration. There was active participation in the discussion. You got D2, D3 and D2. D2, D2 and D2. One thing, why haven't you make male as your central character?
Sir, because he is helping that lady
Okay.
to get their
Candidates, try to have your action, try to have your central character nearby your age, gender and mood also. Okay? अपने जे एज और जेंडर के आसपास के सेंट्रल कैरेक्टर बनाने की कोशिश कीजिए. यहाँ ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ था मेल. ओके, कोशिश करते हैं उसको लेके एक पॉजिटिव स्टोरी बनाने की. ठीक है. 199. ओके, जेंडर इज मूड ठीक था. एक्शन आपने बताया. थोड़ा सा लेटर फेज में आप फंबल किए थे नरेशन के. डिस्कशन में पार्टिसिपेशन ओके था. D1, D2, D1. जिनको भी D2 और D1 आया है, जिनका D1 है, देयर वाज हाई चांसेस दैट दे आर गोइंग टू बी स्क्रीन इन. जिनका D3 है, दे हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. ओके, D2 mediocre will depend upon the performance of that day. Got it? We'll meet again for the practice of another thing. Till then, keep practicing. Jai Hind.